Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and definitely your life to the next level. Now today I have yet another amazing software product, a very beautiful one at that, and this one is called HostLegends and is going live on the 16th of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which is 4 p.m. GMT and 5 p.m. Central European time, and is going live by two super affiliates, Firas, my friend Firas Alame and Tom Yevsikov. And this one, HostLegends, in a nutshell, is first to market app that has safe shell technology backed website with hosting platform to smoothly host unlimited websites and domains on ultra fast and secure servers for 99.99% uptime guarantee without any monthly fees whatsoever. So this is a very good one at my instance, because they are the creators of Your Drive, which was of course launched about a couple of weeks ago on JVZoo platform, and all my clients who bought them actually gave testimonies to the goodness they received and the values they receive in this very Your Drive. And now these guys are coming back with this HostLegends. If this is one that you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, where you will grab a copy using this very link top here, and of course all the other sky blue links that are scattered all over this page. It will give you access to them. When you do click them, they will take you to the sales page here, where you will definitely find the necessary clicks and of course the buttons to actually get a copy like this very one. When you do, it will take you to my, of course, Water Plus account, where you purchase this product. Under your purchase history, when you do, it will show you a page that is going to look exactly like what I'm going to show you just in a second. You will be able to get a copy of the product itself, HostLegends, and of course my amazing bonuses. This button green gives you access to the HostLegends, and here this blue one will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to actually show you in a very short while. And with that said, let us definitely also take a look at the very members area of this software, which is exactly this, which I am going to show you if you stick with me on this review. And that said, let us actually see in details what this product is all about. It says that HostLegends is first to market safe shell technology backed website hosting platform to smoothly host unlimited websites and domains on ultra fast and secure servers for 99.99% uptime guaranteed without any monthly fees whatsoever. And it helps you promote the of course, forget all the other expensive hosting platforms which limit your number of Cgroups and of course bandwidths, iNodes and processes, just like HostGator, DreamHost, BlueHost and the rest of them. So this one helps you, actually gives you a business in a box, because you can create an agency business with this one, where you can have people host their websites and domains, of course, without having to pay you so much money like the other subscriptions on monthly basis. This is going to be a one-time payment for you, and you can imagine the quantity of people who are actually making demands for hosting and their websites and of course their domains and all that. So it's completely, as long as I'm concerned, a business in a box, which you are exposed to with this one. Now with that said, let us see the pricing for this one before I then show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. The front end goes for personal $97, and then commercial $167, and starter goes for $67. Just the front end of this product is a super software and business in a box, can make you money at any time you get started. Now the OTO number one will be the automated cloud backups. Personal goes for $67 and commercial goes for $97. AI website builder goes for $67 personal and commercial $97. And OTO number 3, VidMingo commercial goes for $67, and OTO number 4, viral dashboard commercial goes for $67. And OTO number 5, you have 3 monthly payments. The bronze goes for $36 every month, and then the silver goes for $49, and the gold goes for $69. And of course, you have the bundle deal, which is $247 for business and agency, $297. So this is giving you a very insane opportunity that you are going to have with this one. And the benefits are that you have unlimited hosting of websites and domain, world-class self-share technology-backed premium hosting, install 50 plus premium apps in just one click, and of course unlimited bandwidth, unlimited email addresses, multi-language support, free SSL certificates, get automated daily backups, email spam and assassin, and of course powerful SSD storage, unmatched e-commerce functionality, one-click WordPress installment, and PCI DSS compliance, web application firewall, 100 plus extension catalog, and of course you have multi-PHP manager, 0 monthly payment hassles, and of course easy to use control panel. So this one is basically so exciting that you are giving a business in a box as long as my assessment of this is concerned. Now let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have prepared for you for this one. My bonus number 1 is the premium bonus, a big one, which has 17 amazing software and training courses for you under this product vault that I have for you. 17 crazy bonuses at that. And here you have the second bonus of mine, which is the 3 monetization strategies, which is to show you how to actually monetize your channel, to monetize your website, monetize anything you want monetized. So that's exactly what you have as my bonus number 2, which is crazy training tutorial that you're going to have there. Premium number 3, bonus number 3, how to rank any site on page 1 on Google. This will give you the hack and the information you need to actually do that on your own without having to rent anybody as a freelancer. And my bonus number 4 will be the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools to work online and make money, of course, giving you the instruments that you need to actually get started, automation instruments, backlinks, everything you want, Chrome extensions, bots, everything is included here. So you have 1,000 of them, over 1,000 actually, and you'll be able to use that. And now my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for this product, which I may be able to show you. And now with that said, like I told you before, if you click any of these links on my bonus page, when you arrive here using the link on my description area, it will take you to the sales page, which is this, and you will click this on the sales page. It will take you to my WarriorPlus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. Green access button for the HostLegends and blue access button gives you the crazy access for these bonuses that I have shown you. And I have a second page of bonus which I'm going to show you before we go into the sales page proper. This is the second page of my bonuses, which is filled with training courses, and of course softwares that are going to help you actually make money online. The first one is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits called Latitude, which has a lot to do with NFTs, where you make money with the digital arts, of course, on the blockchain exchange. It's called NFTs. Google that and you'll find out exactly the opportunity you have with Latitude. Now that's my bonus number 1 on this very page, second page of mine. My bonus number 2 for this will be Tweetex, which gives you a Chrome extension, a bot system that is going to be there silently behind the scenes, harvesting traffic from Twitter to any offer of your choice. So it's a crazy one that you must get, and it was launched originally and still selling by Jono Armstrong himself. So my bonus number 3 will be Insurgency, another crazy one done by Jono Armstrong and Brandon Mears, and this one teaches you exactly how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, and that's what you have as Insurgency number 3 bonus of mine on this second page. My bonus number 4 for this second page will be Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is how to access free buyer traffic on daily basis, making money for you on autopilot. My bonus number 5 will be the JavaScript commission bot, which is how to make money, 4 figures actually, on daily basis, and this is what you get with this one. And that's my bonus number 4 of my 5. Number 5 should be, number 6 should be Lockdown Formula, which is how to start from scratch and scale digital marketing to from zero to 1,000 or 10,000 per month, business. So this is how you do this. It's a training course that is going to teach you from scratch how to start affiliate marketing or any other digital marketing you desire and be able to get scaled and, of course, make success out of it. Now, that's exactly what you have on the second page of this product bonuses that I have for you. And you can see it takes you up to 1,027.30 bonuses here you have, and tools, online tools that you need to make money online. So with that said, let us take a look at the members area, I guess, before we go to the sales page. This is the members area. Here you have the dashboard. Of course, connect existing domain. If you have an existing domain that you need to connect, this is the button that is going to teach you how to do that. You can register your domain here. You can transfer domain here. And of course, you get all the training tutorials that you may need for this one. With this link, you can get all the training tutorials. If we hold on, we are going to find the demonstration on how you can do that. And with that said, this is where you have your service. In case you need to actually get your orders in line, you'll be able to have your service taken care of in this very one. And of course, you have your payment methods in case you are selling this product. And of course, you have your cloud backups, which is exactly what this place is about. And then you have the AI website builder, which is where you actually get started building your own website. Now, with that said, we can go into video hosting, which is exactly how you can make money online, hosting videos for other people and be able to get patronized with loads of income, of course. And here you have this social media optimization, and here you can always get your domains. And with that said, you can see that it's a very simple thing to do, and all you need to do is to actually submit your ticket if you need any problem. And of course, you need this very button to get to the tutorials in order to begin to make ends meet with this one. This is basically a very standard training that is going to show you how HostLegends works. Here you have the sales page, which you and I are going to scroll together so that you see exactly what you have, and maybe at your convenience you'll be able to read through and see what Firas Alame and Tom Yevsikov have got for you. As long as HostLegends is concerned, this puts to bed any need you have of hosting or buying your domain on pay on monthly basis or yearly basis, that like all of us do. But this one is going to give you the opportunity to actually have it forever, and of course be able to sell this service to others on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces. So that's basically what you have as long as this very one is concerned. It's highly recommendable, and coupled with the fact that it's being sold on JVZoo platform gives you information as to the quality that you have here. So I recommend it. I recommend this very one because I sold your drive, a lot of them, and no, till today I don't have any negative feedbacks on that. So that's why anytime I see their product, I really know that it's going to give you value, and I go all out to actually promote their product. So this is one, is not going to be any exception. So basically that's exactly what it does. Their products do exactly what they say it's going to do. That's why I think they always have this way of giving us what I can call evergreen products. So that is basically where we are going to call it off on this one. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you at this point to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to the channel and use the bell button for notifications so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload any content on my channel. With that said, we are going to come to the end of this very short one, and I promise to come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, is goodbye.